Hello, good morning. How are you? I hope all is well. Today we're going to start a new lesson. Past continuous. Past continuous. It is in your grammar books, page 21. Grammar books, page 21. But first, when do we use the past continuous? When do we use the past continuous, or why do we use it? When or why do we use the past continuous? We use the past continuous to talk about an action was in progress at a specific time in the past. We use it to talk about an action or an event that was in progress. It means that it was happening at a specific time in the past. For example, look at the picture. My sister was watering the flowers at 10 o'clock this morning. She was watering the flowers. So the action watering was in progress. When was it in progress? At 10 o'clock this morning. So 10 o'clock this morning, it is a specific time. Or another example. Dad was fixing the fridge at 11 o'clock this morning. Dad was fixing the fridge at 11 o'clock this morning. So the action fixing was in progress. And the specific time is 11 o'clock this morning. So an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. Number 2, or the second function, to talk about two or more actions that were in progress at the same time in the past. Two or more actions that were in progress at the same time in the past. We use and or while to connect actions. We use and or while to connect actions. We use these words and or while to connect the two actions that they were in progress in the past. For example, I was reading the book and Mom was making cookies. Here are two actions: that I was reading the book. The second action, Mom was making cookies. So let's read the example one more time. I was reading the book and Mom was making cookies. Another example, Sam was playing football while Laura was drinking juice. Here are two actions that they were in progress. They were happening at the same time. Sam was playing football while Laura was drinking juice. What are the key words? The key words to the past continuous. All day, all evening, plus yesterday. For example, all day yesterday, all evening yesterday, or this time last week. From 6 to 7, and etc. Let's read them again. All day yesterday, all evening yesterday, this time last week, from 6 to 7, and etc. What about the structure? Let's recognize the structure for the singular pronouns or nouns. He, she, it, I. We should use the verb to be was, and the main verb should be continuous or ing plus the object. So he, she, it, and I plus was and the ing form of the verb plus the object. Let's move to the plural subject, plural pronouns or nouns. They, we, and you. We use where and the ing form and plus the object. So they, we, you plus where plus the verb ing and plus the object. Let's complete the sentences with the past continuous form of the verbs between brackets in the following exercise. Let's start with number 1. Rubina on the phone, and we should correct talk. It becomes Rubina was talking on the phone. We used was because Rubina is a singular subject and the ing form of the verb. Number 2, the birds around the garden. The birds were flying around the garden. The birds were flying around the garden. We used were because the birds is a plural noun. Number 3, I for the bus. Wait. I was waiting for the bus. I was waiting for the bus. Number 4, it all morning, and the verb is rain. It was raining all morning. It was raining all morning. Let's move to number 5. He, a letter to his pen pal. He was writing a letter to his pen pal. Number 6. You, me about your childhood. You were telling me about your childhood. Number 7. She to school. She was running to school. She was running to school. Number 8. They under the tree. They were sitting under the tree. They were sitting under the tree. Number 9. The farmer, his plough. The farmer, his land, and the main verb is plough. The farmer was plowing his land. The farmer was plowing his land. Number 10. We in a row. We were standing in a row. We were standing in a row. So let's revise the structure one more time. For the singular subject, he, she, it, or I, we use was and the verb ing plus the object. He, she, it, and y plus was plus the verb ing plus the object. The plural subject, they, we, you. We use were plus the verb ing plus the object. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the class today. If you have any question, send me through Edunation or Microsoft Teams. Wish to see you soon.